So, walking up to Crawler Canyon this evening to get some footage, and yeah, no thanks. We're actually going to be filming somewhere else this evening. So I had a completely different video idea in store for today, and instead, because of that little minor rattlesnake issue, we're just gonna kind of get an ad lib little short clip here. I got out the custom, this was originally an Axial SCX24, and it's been converted over with some different parts with wheels, tires. It's got a different ESC, different receiver transmitter combo, and obviously it's rocking a really cool custom 3D printed kind of chassis cage. I call it the RR24. But that was really interesting to see a couple rattlesnakes together. It's not too often that you see that. Typically that's associated with hibernation, but in this case I think I encountered a breeding pair before they get ready to hibernate, and really that wasn't where the kind of stumbled upon surprises even ended for the day, which is shocking because as I'm making my way to the top of this hill, and this is an area that I've crawled a lot, I just happened to notice this in my peripheral, and after some examination I determined it was safe enough to remove these rocks and get a better look at this. I was suspicious at first and a little bit concerned, to be honest, but to my surprise I just accidentally happened across a geocache. And if you're not familiar with geocache, it is a global positioning based system that these are all over the country. They're really all over the world. You can go on to the internet, go on to search geocaches, and you can get coordinates, maps, locations as to where you can go out and search for these yourself. It's very cool. People leave a log inside. Some people will leave, items of significance to them or interest, and it's just a neat way to get out, enjoy some nature. Really would be a fun way to get family involved, and it really would go hand in hand with some trail crawling. Throw your crawler in a backpack, head out on the trail, and have some fun. Anyways, we'll get to that video that I intended for next time, guys. We'll see you then.